Rasta. You must stand up for right, you know, and go back and see motherland, you know. Where youth from Africa, roots from America, Central America come together, you know, and become one nation under the nation and rule it. You know, see.
For our brothers who are fighting for their freedom in their own land in Africa against apartheid. Oh, no more apartheid.
Africa is motherland.
Hey.
Africa is where we came from.
We are. Back to roots. I'm sure you'll find that we are brothers and sisters from the black land of Africa, living in a strange world. Oh, 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 oh.
Africa is motherland.
Hey.
Africa is where we came from.
Africa is where we came from. Children are starving, people are dying, and the minority is oppressing our brothers. Oh, the time has come for our liberation. Stand up for your right, abolish apartheid. Yeah. Jamaican youth,
Africa,
you black Haitian youth,
Africa,
you black American youth,
Africa,
you black Trinidadian youth,
Africa,
give me your loving soul,
Africa,
give me your loving soul,
Africa,
no more apartheid yo,
Africa,
no more apartheid yo,
Africa,
oh yeah,
Africa,
oh yeah,
Africa,
oh yeah,
Africa,
oh yeah,
Africa,
no more apartheid yo,
Africa,
give me your loving soul, yeah,
Africa,
Africa is motherland yo,
Africa,
oh,
Africa,
huh.
Rastafari, you did me so. Man like that who pass questions from Africa. Where people get united, you know, between brothers and sisters, black and white. This is where freedom comes from, you know. It's about time to go there and get our souls together, you know, see. Rastafari.
give me your loving, give me your loving, give me your loving, give me your loving soul, give me your loving soul, give me your loving soul, give me your loving soul.
say, oh yeah.
Africa,
Kenya Kaunda, oh yeah.
Africa,
Bishop Tutu,
Africa,
and Nelson Mandela,
Africa,
Winnie Mandela,
Africa,
Martin Luther King Jr.,
Africa,
Haile Selassie,
Africa,
and Wasadat.
Africa.